Metasploitable is cool, but it's a Linux operating system. What about Windows? We all know that Windows is the prominent operating system in use today, so learning how to penetrate to Windows environments is very important for penetration testers. So let's open the folder again, which we have previously downloaded the files, this one, and find this Windows 7 folder. Extract the zip file like I've done previously, as you see, and then move the folder again to My VMs. Alright, this time we will follow a different approach. When you double click this, you will see a bunch of files with MF, OVF and VMDK extensions. Double click this OVF extension, this one. Okay. Now we will select where we wanna save this virtual machine. Let's click Browse, and under Desktop, My VMs, let's create a new folder again. So maybe we should move this file back to the original location. Let's type IE8 Windows 7 VM. Click OK, and then click Import. Your new operating system should be ready in a few moments. Okay, looks like we have successfully imported this virtual machine. Let's click Remind me later again. Okay, let's click OK to restart the VM. This will make the final changes. Okay, IE user, and the password is password, but with capital P, A, S, S, W, 0, RD, and exclamation mark. Okay, looks like we are done. Let's click Restart Now again, and we will continue from where we left in the upcoming lectures.